application market was projected to reach at 461.7 billion US dollars in 2019 and is expected to grow with 2.5 times, which would be nearly around 935.2 billion US dollars by 2023. So what have you planned for your application? I am Niyati from iBigShow, and today we are going to discuss series number 3 from ideas into product and what revenue models you can plan for your applications. So let's get started. There are so many revenue models which you can plan in your application, and sometimes developers are also planning multiple revenue models into single application to get high profit. Let's check out which revenue model you can plan in your application to grab high profit. Number one is in-app advertising. The global market of in-app advertising was valued at 461.72 billion US dollars in 2018 and it is expected to reach 472.64 billion US dollars by the end of 2027. Now let me show you the types of in-app advertisements you can plan in your application. The number one is smart banner, which generally is shown on top of the screen. The another is native ad. Number third is full screen advertisement, which might be sometimes annoying. And the next one is rewarded video. Now coming back to the second revenue model, which you can plan in your application, that is in-app purchase. You have seen some applications offers some features to buy, some content to buy, or some services you can buy. So the types of in-app purchases you can plan are consumable and non-consumable, freemium model, subscriptions. Whichever you feel better, you can have in your application. Coming back to another revenue model, that is data monetization. This model might not liked by your user as they feel that you're stealing their data. But let me tell you, this is the legal way to make the money, and at the end you're not stealing any personal information. Coming back to another revenue model is donations. You might find some crowdfunding platforms that would be interested in investing in your application, and if you have not found any better opportunity, stay tuned with us to get the idea from where you can get your crowdfunders and how you can get them invest in your application. Coming back to the another revenue model, that is affiliate marketing and lead generation. So if you have came to this point where you have substantial base of users, then you can go with the affiliate marketing and lead generation platforms. There are lots of affiliate marketing platforms which are free to use, and you can join them and grab the high revenue from them. Now another revenue model, that is paid apps. There are plenty of applications available in the application store or Google Play Store which are free to use. But still, you can offer some of the features as a paid to generate revenue. So this is it in this video. Do you find any revenue models interesting? Do you want to plan anything in your application? Get in touch with us at sales@iBigShow.com and do not forget to subscribe our channel. This is Niyati signing off from iBigShow. Bye bye.